In today's video, we are going to talk about Hbar price prediction. So if you are investing in cryptocurrency or are planning to do it, then make sure you watch this video until the end because it will be very interesting. Hello crypto lovers, welcome back to our number crunching ritual on your favorite channel, Crypto Revolution, the channel that brings you daily news about crypto. If you don't want to miss things, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Before we get into the meat of the matter, let's have a look at the current price of Hbar. It was approximately 0.3673 cents USD this week. Hedera's decentralized economy is powered by Hbar, the native energy-efficient cryptocurrency of Hedera. Hedera goes beyond blockchain for developers to build the next era of fast, fair, and secure applications, whether you're a startup or a corporation, a creator or a customer. So let's get back to the video's major point. What do you think is the Hbar price prediction? What is Hbar? Well, there have been quite a lot of cryptocurrencies, but this particular one is kind of different. Stay with me as we find out more about the Hbar. Hbar is a native, energy-efficient cryptocurrency of the Hedera public network. Hbar is mainly used to power the decentralized applications and protect the networks from tragic actors. Hbars are for the following purposes. 1. Network fuel. Developers usually use the Hbars to pay for network services like logging data, managing fungible and non-fungible tokens, transferring Hbars. Hbars are used to compensate network nodes, bandwidth, compute, and storage. It is quite amazing and unbelievable. 2. Network protection. Hedera's public network needs Hbars that are proxy staked to a certain network node. This is specifically to weigh votes on transactions when trying to arrive at a consensus. The weight votes may make it quite expensive and hard to afford a Hbar. It gets more difficult when you have to purchase a stake that is almost a third of the network's total supply. Sadly, this may not be able to happen until the first 5 years happen, and you can tell that it is quite a long time to wait. This may cost you your investments and you may incur losses. Is Hbar good for you? As you can see, the Hbar is quite useful and pretty understandable. It is also a safe spot for various networking issues. This leaves us with the question, is Hbar a good crypto? Well, Hbar is quite a good cryptocurrency. If you're looking forward to invest in a cryptocurrency, then this particular one might just be the one you're looking for. The good news is that crypto users have rated Hbar to be one of the best cryptocurrencies, and it is actually leading in the cryptocurrency space. As you can see, Hbar doesn't disappoint in any way. Hbar grew so fast since when it was invented, and this is a great advantage for people to keep on using the cryptocurrency. Hbar has a lot of market considering that the crypto has diverse opportunities of development and growth. A lot of market enthusiasts are quite optimistic about the future of the Hbar price. On the other hand, if you're planning to invest in this or any other kind of cryptocurrency, you need to research a lot before actually doing it, because what happens if your plans don't meet your expectations? You would incur some greater losses that wouldn't be good for you or for your cryptocurrency business. Hbar is quite a good investment for anyone who needs it, especially these big companies. Imagine having your network issues sorted as a company. That would literally be a blessing. On the positive side, Hbar is encouraging to an investor since the rates keep going high. There hasn't been any drop seen. It is believed that the Hbar investments will surpass the current in a few years to come, actually even a few months to come. This is just amazing, guys. You just have to make sure that the standards align with your goals and expectations of what you really need. Also, make sure as a crypto investor you have clarity on what exactly you want. How is Hbar's blockchain? As we all know, cryptocurrency and bitcoins have almost the same blockchain, but for Hbar, does it have its own blockchain? Keep watching as we find out if the blockchain is different. Hedera actually goes beyond the blockchain. Wow, this could literally be tough and all the more easy to create. It depends on your understanding of cryptocurrency knowledge. So for the consumers and developers, it would be quite tricky to create the next era of fast, fair, and secure applications. We can conclude that Hbar has a blockchain of its own, and it is complicated in a certain way. This blockchain is also unique since after creation the growth is fast and vast. A lethal move for this particular cryptocurrency. Hbar price prediction. Hbar has what we call the Hedera Hashgraph predictions. These certain predictions are updated after every 3 minutes with the latest price done by the smart analytical technique. This is pretty fast because Hbar obviously has a lot of investors, and to keep the business going after 3 minutes is quite some real effort there. This has even caused the Hbar projection to be quite high and consistent. According to walletinvestor.com, they have been able to predict the future values of the Hbar using the smart analytical technique. Looking for virtual currencies? Not to worry, because the Hbar can be a very good investment for such and quite a profitable option. The Hedera Hashgraph price is now at 0.375 cents US dollars as of the 16th of October 2021. Can you imagine these guys? Currently, if you buy the Hedera Hashgraph for $100, you'll automatically get a whopping total of 266.996 Hbar. Based on the overview, there is an expectation for a long-term increase, and how amazing could this get? Really, really good. Still on the main course, the price forecast for 16th October 2021 is 1.785 US dollars. For the investors, when they invest up to 5 years, then the revenue is now expected to be around plus 376.27%. For the $100 investment, the investment may be around 476.27, or even more since the prices may increase depending on the Hedera Hashgraph or the smart analytical technique. The production is quite profitable and fair, but how can you purchase a Hedera Hashgraph? Stay tuned as we find out the various steps of purchasing the Hedera Hashgraph. It is very simple to purchase. 1. Click on the Buy Now button. Note that using a debit card is fast and quite easy. 2. In the fields available, select the specific type of cryptocurrency that you would love to purchase and how you'd love to pay for it on normal days. 3. Proceed to check out if it has really been done, or there's a process that you missed and requires to be redone. 4. After doing above in number 3, you can now receive the Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see, the steps are quite easy and don't require a lot of hard processes to purchase. Moving on to the next thing, now that we know about the current Hbar price production, how about the future? Here are some of the future Hbar price productions predictions. 2021, 0.37 US dollars. 2022, 0.49 US dollars. 2023, 0.71 US dollars. 2024, 0.89 US dollars. 2025, 1.12 US dollars. As you have all seen, the rates are predicted to keep going high and might be a bit higher. It all depends on the Hbar projections. Therefore, you can see why Hbar is considered good for investment. All you have to do is work smart and make more profits in your area of expertise. The Hedera Hashgraph is also efficient for file storage and a clear service for smart contracts. File storages are important because they have to have a record of what has been going on in the company year through year since the company began. That concludes today's video. We like to mention the financial disclaimer. Please keep in mind that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.